Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now, the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. So, the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Yesterday was Tuesday, April 7th. And tomorrow will be Thursday, April 9th. Remember, the month of the year is April, and next month will be May. So let's say it all together. Today is April, Wednesday, 8, 2020. Today the weather is partly cloudy. Temperature 75 degrees. Remember to wash your hands daily. Let's kill those germs. And your morning workout. Remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day using your goal noodle workout of the day. Remember, it's okay to take breaks, and today we're going to be working on all 4 subjects. How are you feeling today? Mad, happy, relaxed, or sad? I am feeling happy because it's a short week and we only have 4 days of school. Ready, set, go. Let's get started with our day.